from Tom Cruise to carpets. I know it's a bit strange, but if you look at this set here, we've always got these lovely carpets in the set, and this particular carpet is by Abee Rags, and this is very much like as you can see, it's very much a Persian, Arabic influence. I can show you the world, sort of Aladdin-y carpet, and we've got a report on this, on how to get rugs and carpets such as this beautiful one for yourself, how to take care of your carpets, etc. Have a take a look at it now. Shining shimmer.
Persian carpets is said to be the most valuable and most sought after in the world because each and every of its design are never duplicated. Persian carpets are usually hand-knotted, soft and extremely durable.
Persian carpet is very hardy. The more you step with the shoes, the more beauty you can find in a Persian carpet. You can use what you wanted. You just walk with shoes, let children play on carpet, eat on carpet, no problem. But when the carpet is wet, you have to remove the furniture, put under the sunlight, make sure the carpet fully dry, then you use back. Otherwise, if you're using a wet carpet, it will give you a smell and it leave a mark on the feet mark, no dirty feet when you walk on the wet carpet. Always use dry carpet.
Say if you wish to get a Persian carpet for your home, what are the current carpet trends?
People don't like too many red colors because Persian carpet are famous in red color, blue color, multicolors. No, but now it's a trend. Is a different trend. Is more settled colors. So that's why nowadays we also try to get the carpet which is a more settled color. No more bright colors. No.
And how exactly do we keep our carpets long lasting?
Condition is a different weather, the moisture. No. So what we suggest customers, put your carpet at least 20 minutes to 25 minutes under the sunlight. When it's a very bright sun, we advise the customer when they buy a carpet, we tell them when you're putting a table, coffee table, a dining table, don't keep for many years. Just keep for after 6 months, after 1 year, just change the direction.
Even though Persian carpets are well known for its sturdiness, the process to clean one requires a delicate and thorough touch. There are cleaning services provided by carpet dealers, but what about those who prefer to clean their own carpets at home?
Carpet got smell because of it was wet and not properly dry. So what we do, we wash it again. My people we have a specialized in washing. So what they do, they fully wash, and they throw the water, throw the soap, rub it, unless they throw water again and again, unless they see the clear water coming out. So it means carpet is clean, and now they use sunlight to dry. We don't use any machine to dry carpet. It's a natural sunlight. We don't advise people to wash carpet. The reason is because a Persian carpet is one of its kind. If you want to give handmade carpet to cleaning, give to any carpet dealer in Kuala Lumpur because they know how to wash it. Even you give to laundry, they may use a chemical, they may use a bleach to make the carpet brighter, but they are using a chemical, so they spoil your carpet.
So remember, leave the job of cleaning Persian carpets to professionals. Also, make sure they know better than you do, or you might just spoil your only one-in-the-world handmade carpet.
Now you know how to take care of your carpets and your rugs, so there's no excuse for that. In fact, I think I'd like to have this and take it home if I'm allowed to.